comments below. We also created a mobile-friendly PDF document covering all the things in this video, plus 10 additional things to do in Miami, including maps, links, opening hours, and more. Here are our top 10 picks. Number 10. South Beach. South Beach is a round-the-clock hotspot with a diverse mix of world-class hotels, rich cultural heritage, and stunning scenery, especially if you visit one of the following attractions: Art Deco District and Ocean Drive, where you can explore Miami's unique Art Deco architecture and admire dozens of hotels and other impressive bright-colored buildings. You can even sit down for a coffee or a dinner with a backdrop of iconic beach views. Llamas Park, between Ocean Drive and the Atlantic Ocean, where you can walk in one of many baths or even exercise in an outdoor exercise area, which is a popular attraction for fitness enthusiasts. Don't forget to visit South Point Beach with its unique, colorful lifeguard towers. By the way, there are many other impressive beaches in the greater Miami area. Check out our travel guide for more suggestions. South Point Park, full of palm trees, walking paths and benches, and just another great place to relax. For a stunning view of the ocean, head to the South Point Park Pier. And Lincoln Road, a famous shopping, dining, and entertainment street. Check out our travel guide for more suggestions. Number 9. Calle Ocho in Little Havana. The vibrant Calle Ocho is the center of Cuban life and culture in Miami's Little Havana district. The area is famous for its restaurants, ventanitas, bakeries, markets, and festivals. You can discover who are some of the most famous people in the Latin American entertainment industry when you walk through the Calle Ocho Walk of Fame, which is similar to the one in Hollywood. To find out firsthand how the traditional Cuban cigars are made, you can visit El Titán de Bronce, or you can head to Azucar Ice Cream Company for some delicious homemade Cuban ice cream. Don't miss the nearby Cuban Memorial Boulevard Park, dedicated to the heroes who fought for Cuban independence, and visit the Eternal Torch, remembering those who lost their lives in the Bay of Pigs invasion. There are many other things to see and do on Calle Ocho. Check out our travel guide for more suggestions. Number 8. Key Biscayne. Key Biscayne is an island located a short drive over a bridge from downtown Miami. This former coconut plantation is now a paradise-like collection of lush parks, golden beaches, and charming neighborhoods. The island is divided into 2 parks. In the north, you will find Crandon Beach Park, featuring a family amusement center and a nature center. And in the southern part of Key Biscayne, there is Bill Bech's Cape Florida State Park, where you'll find nature trails and the historic Cape Florida Lighthouse. Number 7. Wynwood Walls. Wynwood is a former manufacturing district, converted into Miami's thriving arts hub, featuring over 70 galleries and museums. It is especially famous for its old warehouse halls, with giant canvases created by street and graffiti artists from all over the world. More than 50 artists from 16 countries have painted over 80,000 square feet of walls in Wynwood since it was established in 2009. The murals were an instant hit, and the original area expanded to the adjacent Wynwood doors, creating a perfect portrait gallery setting where you can admire and buy paintings and other art. Number 6. Museums. No matter what your taste in museums, chances are you'll find a museum close to your heart when visiting Miami. Here are some of the best and most interesting museums you should not miss. Perez Art Museum Miami, featuring 20th and 21st century international artworks. The museum spans over 200,000 square feet and consists of indoor and outdoor spaces for flexible galleries, educational activities, and even dining and relaxation. Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. This national historic landmark includes an Italian Renaissance villa and formal gardens, resembling the layout of France's Versailles. The estate's Mediterranean feel gets a signature Miami flair through tropical elements such as palms, orchids, and Cuban limestone. Philip and Patricia Frost Museum of Science. You'll find interactive exhibits, a 3-level aquarium, and one of America's most high-tech planetariums at this museum in downtown Miami. You can also meet real-life inventors and observe how they tackle 21st century challenges through their scientific work. There are many more amazing museums to discover. Check out Travel Guide for more suggestions, links, and other info. Number 5. Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden. Opened to the public in 1938, Fairchild Tropical Botanic Garden is located in Coral Gables. Today, this 83-acre facility serves as a museum, laboratory, and learning and conservation center. Here, you'll find vast collections of over 2,300 tropical plants from more than 3,400 species, such as palms, vines, trees, and much more. You can also walk in a rainforest setting with exotic butterflies at the wings of the tropics, or find your favorite view of the property such as Bailey Palm Glade. Or you can even take a guided tram tour of the garden. Aside from being a museum, laboratory, learning and conservation facility, the Botanic Garden is also a cultural and community center with its own concert hall and art gallery. Number 4. Bayside Marketplace. Bayside Marketplace is a 2-floor open-air festival center located in a lovely waterfront setting in downtown Miami, and is Miami's #1 most visited attraction. Take your pick from over 150 shops and almost 40 dining options, and enjoy free live performances by local musicians. You can also have a few drinks by the water, or go on a bay cruise for sightseeing, fishing, or to go for a boat party. And since you're there, don't miss the Freedom Tower and the rest of downtown Miami, full of impressive modern Manhattan-like skyscrapers. Number 3. Little Haiti. Almost 30,000 Haitian Americans live in this vibrant community formed in the 1980s by Haitian diaspora in Miami. Little Haiti is a great place to experience Haitian art, music, and dance, especially if you visit the Little Haiti Cultural Center and its Caribbean marketplace. We tried some of their amazing organic juices. Head to Chef Creole or a similar restaurant for authentic Caribbean cuisine. And finally, check out the neighborhood's murals and galleries for a taste of its thriving art scene. Number 2. Coconut Grove. Miami's oldest neighborhood, Coconut Grove mixes its early bohemian influences with a modern and family-friendly atmosphere. The combination of green landscape and Biscayne Bay's glimmering blue waters makes Coconut Grove a perfect escape from busy streets and city life. Here you can stroll along pedestrian-friendly streets shaded by giant trees, shop at charming boutiques, and admire the view of the sailboats anchored in the bay. Just a few steps off the main road, you'll find the Bernacle Historic State Park, with the oldest standing home in Dade County. And just a couple of blocks down the road, there is the Peacock Park, with beautiful view of the bay. Of course, don't forget to visit the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, which we already mentioned when we covered museums. Number 1. Everglades National Park. Florida offers some of the most incredible and diverse habitats on the planet. From the cypress swamps northwest to the coral reefs in the Keys, all that results in an astonishing variety of wildlife. With just little luck, you'll see alligators, American crocodiles, friendly manatees, and colorful water birds all in one day.